aba batandika no kwiguraho banka ya Opportunity Bank Nakivale kandi hona yataayaaya projects nyingi ziri mu kampeji ezirukajirwa government ya Bungyereza kandi Princess Anne niwe patron wa banka ya Opportunity.
Plaque unveils itself. Firstly, can I say what a pleasure it is to be here. Having been involved with Opportunity International for quite a few years, this program has been, I think, one of the most exciting that has evolved out of its early work of loans. And Uganda is a remarkable country in the way that it welcomes and treats the refugees who come here. This adds enormously to what they can gain from a very unfortunate set of circumstances.
Abebembezi b'Isingiro basimortayeruga Princess Anne konka bamushaba kongera obuyambi omu district ezirikutuuza empungi.
Twarango mu refugee settlements zona omu Uganda atorinemu kwija omuri Nakivale kandi cyaba kishikire abo kuba Nakivale ni kampu mpango kandi yo kampu nkuru munonga eyabandizeho omwihangeri okuhereza abantu aho kutura mwene echo cyaba kiri kirungi kandi twine empungi nsya ezirukuruga Kongo na Burundi n'ahandi ezirukwija ahabwe bizube biru Kongo n'ahandi mwene kuyahikaha kandi twamwakira kurungi.
Okutaayaaya kwa Royal Princess Anna no kumuhendo halitwe nk'abakora n'ebitongore ebikutuyamba mu kuleberera empungi habo kuba ni patroni w'ebibina bingi o charities ezikuho buhwezi ebitongole ebyo ebikwihwera empungi nka Save the Children hamwe na hanu ya Nakivale niwe patron wa Opportunity Bank International kandi eji Opportunity Bank International neza kuhereza empungi n'abaturage abakutura hihi na Nakivale okusavinga sente mu banka.
Owen Amanyori CEO wa Opportunity Bank yagambira Princess Anne ngo kwigurita jo mu kampeji kiyambere empungi kubatamu omutima gwo kwebikira akasente kandi ngo empungi zirukuhika akashanju zaherize kutendeka omu kwebikira akasente.
Through this branch we've delivered financial literacy to over 7,000 customers who are refugees and host communities, offered safe custody for more than 4,300 savings, and extended over 1,000 loans through our program called Refugees Innovation, Self-Reliance and Empowerment, in short, the RISE project, which was launched in June 2019.
We're able to because of the demand of the community, we are able to deliver financial literacy trainings, refugee savings accounts and loans increase day by day because of the demand.
Gasha kwa Abdukalim Sengendo.